All right, everybody out and up against the wall here. You're under arrest. Let's go. Move it.
The hell for?
It's right there in your hand. Transportation of illegal alcohol across state lines for the purpose of distribution.
Well, with disrespect to you, officer, this is not distribution, this is consumption.
Well, that don't exactly make it legal.
You know what?
Now, up against the wall.
What is this?
Up against the wall. Officer.
Well, looks like we found something.
What's that?
Concealed weapon.
Where?
Right here. Now, the only question is, will he actually use it? Please don't be mad. Harry and the boys just thought you might like me.